So we're back here on day 4 for the Mustang. I'm gonna start with getting this windshield out. I forgot to set up the camera. I've already been cutting out all this, but it's super dry, super brittle. Yeah, it's just flaking off. So I'm kind of just like sectioning, just popping it off, and then I'll go from the inside and cut all the way around, and then it should just push out. So sit you up, get this thing out. I got this driver's side done already. Basically what I did is just took my razor and I followed the glass all the way around. I didn't worry about trying to cut all the way through. I just took this tool, I just went and popped it all off. I'm gonna grab this.
Oh, yeah, you ready?
Yeah, it's out.
Here, where's the sun stuff?
Officially no more glass in the car.